DIY microphone, a blue Snowball with a 3D printed handle, which I made a video on if you haven't seen it. A link will be in the description. Versus a actual microphone, which is the Shure SM58. I'm not gonna have any pop filters or anything, no noise filters, sound gates or anything, just so you hear the exact audio coming out of it. For starters, the SM58 is significantly better as a microphone, just holding it wise. I can see how people use this on stage and everything else. Much more ergonomic than this handle. Of course, you could modify this to be a little bit better conical, I guess. This is more conical shaped, just make it easier to hold, but that's definitely one thing that's an advantage there. This is also very top heavy. While this is a little bit top heavy, it's really not that bad. Past that, the audio you guys are hearing now, so you'll be able to compare that for yourself. The blue Snowball is significantly cheaper. I think I paid around $35 for it. I paid $100 for the SM58. You can find it cheaper used or on other sites. I just use Amazon, but you also have to get a audio interface for the SM58. This just needs a USB cable, which it comes with. I got a larger cable just because, but that's included. I don't know which one I would recommend. Obviously, it comes down to what you have to start with, money-wise, just what the budget is, but you guys can hear the audio and compare the differences. Personally, I'm glad that I got this purchase. It's really nice that I don't have to use noise gates and everything to cut out ambient noise as much anymore. But a lot of that stuff you still can do in software with a Snowball. It's just what you want to do and how much time you want to put into it. Thanks for watching.